Hello mga kadasig, this is Kelly Tadena and you're watching my YouTube channel. I am Kelly Tadena. And if this is your first time to visit my YouTube channel, inviting you to click the subscribe button and of course the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And for today's content mga kadasig, we'll have the unboxing of VIVO Y19. So watch this video. So this phone has a weight of 193 grams and has a dimension of 162.15 by 76.47 and 8.89 mm. So the screen size is 6.53 inch with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 FHD+. Type is LCD and the touch screen is capacitive multi-touch. So for VIVO Y19, what we have here is the spring white color and we have also magnetic black. Available colors for VIVO Y19. The rear camera consists of a 16MP wide plus 8MP ultra wide plus 2MP macro camera sensor lenses. While the front camera has a 16MP sensor, the phone sensors include fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity, and compass. So the smartphone is fueled by a non-removable lithium polymer 5000 mAh battery plus battery charging of 18 watts. Okay. So there you have it mga kadasig, our unboxing of VIVO Y19. So if you want to purchase that phone, please like our Facebook fan page, Oneiro online shop, and do not forget also to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Kelly Tadena. Click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. So thank you mga kadasig. See you in my next video. Mga kadasig, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button for notifications and like this video. Daghang salamat!